Come back here. We haven't the money to shop. Discipline. That's the up escalator. We have to go down the down escalator. You see the other one over there? See? We have to go down the down one. This way.
This way.
This way.
This way.
This way immediately. Must we sing our inane songs? See, look. There's the down one. Wait for me! Wait for me! Alright. We're on the down escalator. Be careful. Be careful. Why are you in such a hurry?
4, 5, count.
Yeah. I don't know if we belong in this section. This may be a bit advanced for us. It's closed. They're loose. You want that? Too many colors? What are you talking about? Hello. Where are we going? This is not the section for us. You're too young for these. You're interested in those? You did well to discard those. Maybe we can find a toy section. That's the down one. We can't go on that one. We need to go on the other one.